In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Oanda account. If you're new to Oanda, this walkthrough will take you from the sign-up page all the way to your first login so you can begin trading with confidence. Before we start, make sure you meet the basic requirements. You must be at least 18 years old, you'll need a valid government ID and a recent proof of address, and you should have access to the email inbox and phone number you plan to use. These checks are standard across regulated brokers and help keep accounts secure. Begin by visiting the official Oanda website. On the home page, look for the option labeled Open Trading Account or Start Trading. Click it to open the registration form. Confirm that you're on the correct regional site for your country and that the address bar shows a secure connection. Next, enter your basic information. Provide your email address, create a strong password, and select your country of residence. Oanda will send you a verification link to the email you entered. Open that message and confirm your email to continue the application. After that, complete your personal details. Enter your legal full name, date of birth, residential address, and phone number. You'll also answer a short questionnaire about your trading experience and your financial background. These questions are required by regulators to assess suitability and ensure responsible access to leveraged products. Answer honestly and carefully, and make sure your address matches the documents you'll upload later. Now it's time to verify your identity. Through Oanda's secure portal, upload a clear, readable copy of your passport or national ID or a driver's license. You'll also upload a proof of address, such as a recent utility bill or a bank statement that shows your name and address. Use color scans or photos with all four corners visible, and check that documents are valid and within the acceptable date range. Submit your application and wait for approval. Oanda will review your information and send you an email once everything is verified. This process typically takes anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, so keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder. When you receive approval, log in to the Oanda Hub, also known as the Client Portal, deposit funds, and you're ready to trade. You can access markets through platforms like MetaTrader 5, TradingView, or the Oanda mobile app. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll have your account up and running smoothly.